Ever felt that twinge of frustration trying to figure out how to cash out on Lightspeed? You're juggling sales, managing inventory, and then, bam! You hit a wall trying to access your hard-earned cash. It's a common problem, and it can really disrupt your flow. You're not alone. So many business owners using Lightspeed, especially those new to the platform, get tripped up by the cash-out process. They spend valuable time searching through help articles, watching confusing tutorials, or even worse, reaching out to support and waiting for a response. Time is money, right? And lost time is definitely lost money. That's why we're here today. We're going to break down the Lightspeed cash-out process step by step in plain English so you can get your money quickly and easily. No more frantic searches. No more frustrating delays. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the basic steps to some helpful tips and tricks that can save you time and headaches. Before we dive in, let's clarify what we mean by cashing out on Lightspeed. Lightspeed itself doesn't directly handle the transfer of funds to your bank account. Think of Lightspeed as the engine that drives your sales and tracks your transactions. The actual transfer of money is handled by your payment processor. This could be someone like Square, Stripe, PayPal, or Lightspeed Payments itself. So, the cash-out process we're talking about is really about understanding how your payment processor interacts with Lightspeed and how to access your funds through them. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The first thing you need to do is identify your payment processor. This should be something you set up when you initially configured your Lightspeed account. If you're unsure, you can usually find this information in your Lightspeed settings, often under a section labeled Payments or Payment Processing. Knowing your processor is crucial because each one has its own specific procedures for accessing your funds. Once you know your processor, you'll need to log in to their platform. This is separate from your Lightspeed login. Think of it as two different doors leading to the same treasure. You use Lightspeed to track the treasure, your sales, and you use your payment processor's platform to actually access the treasure, your money. Now, here's where things can differ slightly depending on your processor. However, the general concept is the same. You'll be looking for a section related to transfers, payouts, or withdrawals. This is where you'll initiate the transfer of funds from your payment processor account to your bank account. Let's walk through a common scenario. Let's say you're using Lightspeed Payments. In this case, your payment processing is integrated directly within Lightspeed. This makes things a bit simpler. You'll likely find a reports section within your Lightspeed account. Within the reports, you should be able to generate a sales summary for a specific period, maybe daily, weekly, or monthly. This report will show you the total sales processed through Lightspeed Payments. Now, the key here is that Lightspeed Payments usually has a set schedule for transferring funds to your linked bank account. This might be daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. You typically don't need to manually initiate a transfer. The system automatically sends the funds to your bank account based on the schedule you've configured. However, it's essential to understand that there might be a delay between when a sale is made and when the funds actually appear in your bank account. This is often referred to as a processing time and is standard practice for most payment processors. It's usually mentioned in your agreement with the processor. Now, let's consider another scenario where you're using a third-party payment processor like Square. In this case, you'll need to log in to your Square account separately. Once logged in, you'll typically find a dashboard or a menu option related to balance or payments. Here, you'll see your current balance of processed payments. You'll then look for options to transfer these funds to your bank account. Square, like other processors, will likely have a transfer schedule, but they might also offer options for instant transfers for a small fee. Regardless of your processor, it's crucial to understand their specific fee structure. Some processors might charge a small percentage per transaction, while others might have a flat fee for each transfer. Knowing these fees is essential for accurate financial planning. Now, let's talk about some helpful tips. First, familiarize yourself with your processor's reporting features. Most platforms offer detailed reports that show you not only your total sales but also transaction details, refunds, and any fees charged. This information is invaluable for managing your business finances. Second, set up notifications or alerts. Many payment processors allow you to receive email or SMS notifications when a transfer is initiated or completed. This helps you stay on top of your cash flow and ensures that you're aware of any potential issues. Third, double-check your bank account details. It sounds obvious, but it's surprising how often errors occur due to incorrect bank account information. A simple typo can cause significant delays in receiving your funds. Fourth, understand the cutoff times. Most processors have specific cutoff times for initiating transfers. If you miss the cutoff, the transfer might be delayed until the next business day. Fifth, keep records of all your transactions and transfers. This is not only good business practice, but also essential for reconciling your accounts and preparing your taxes. Finally, if you're ever unsure about anything, don't hesitate to contact your payment processor's customer support. They're there to help you navigate the process and answer any questions you may have. So, to recap, the key to cashing out on Lightspeed is understanding your payment processor, logging into their platform, and initiating the transfer of funds according to their specific procedures and schedules. Remember to familiarize yourself with their fee structure, reporting features, and cutoff times. And always double-check your bank account details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.